You said you're going to power wash today?
I was thinking about it.
You need some help?
Always.
All right, well, I'm here to help you out.
Great.
Wait! We can do it! We're strong! We can do the power washing for you.
Good, go do it. Oh, you guys are really power washing because you guys are so powerful, aren't you?
I don't think that man's strong enough. How about you?
That's good, you're getting some of that dirt off. Still got some dirt there though, Caden. Or the Hulk, I mean. Looking good, but not quite clean enough. You're not powerful enough? The Hulk isn't powerful enough?
I'll get 50 I'll come to help. There must be an easier way to do this.
Oh, but there is.
Really?
Yes, let me show you a real power washer. So you see how much better that was? How much easier? The only problem is going that way, it's going to take forever. So I got something over here that should speed that up. So we're going to use, guys, this attachment here to wash the driveway and other surfaces. See? It's got two nozzles there so it spins around. We got extra wands for attachments. And we got a couple extra nozzles and some Teflon tape to make sure we don't have any leaks. We're just going to attach it up. Now you guys don't have to worry about anything because all you have to do is steer like this. Isn't that pretty cool? So what are you going to do next? You're going to do the deck, so we're going to see how it looks like on wood, and then Papa's little gazebo over here, it's got brick, so we're going to see how well it cleans both those surfaces. This power washer attachment was amazing. It blew my expectations. I mean, as soon as we turned it on, it was already cleaning the circle, and it just hovered over the patio, the deck, the bricks, any surface, and cleaned it extremely quickly, extremely efficiently. And because all the weight's down there, the boys could even do it. You didn't have to worry about it flying off and hitting somebody or anybody getting hurt. You also have the brush on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it going over your toes. The 4 wheels on there make it just glide effortlessly. So if you could use this in your backyard, your patio, your driveway, anything that's dirty, click on the link below.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Watch what happened last time. Watch what happens next time. Don't forget our cool extras. Yeah!